Getting started with the FMH Policyholder Center and John Deere connection is easy as 1, 2, 3. First, you will set up your FMH Policyholder Center account at fmh.com/policyholder and click the Create Account link. You'll need a few pieces of information to set up your account, including your email, social security number or EIN, and your root policy number. Your root policy number can be requested from your agent or located here on your policy confirmation document. To finish setting up your account, you will need to select your preferred multi-factor authentication method and verify your contact information. For a better mobile experience, you can access your Policyholder Center account through the FMH mobile app. Once in your FMH Policyholder Center account, you'll need to make a connection to your John Deere Operations Center account. Click the drop-down menu under Precision Solutions and select Farm Management Systems. Then simply select the Connect Account button next to the John Deere Operations Center logo. You'll log into your Operations Center account and agree to share only your data that is needed for crop insurance reporting. Once inside the Operations Center, you'll select which organizations you'd like FMH to have access to by turning the switch to On and then clicking Save. The button will become green and say Connected once the connection is successful. Now you're ready to use this connection to submit your data for crop insurance reporting. When you're ready to submit your data, simply click the File Request button, select File Type, Year, and Organizations. Then move available fields to the selected column, and then Import. You and your agent will receive an email notification when the data transfer is complete. Your data will be available to your agent to process for crop insurance reporting. Using the unique FMH Policyholder Center and John Deere connection is truly that simple, saving you time, reducing paperwork, and providing the most accurate data possible for crop insurance.